Namaste everyone. So let's start our today's class. Sit in any comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your neck back and head straight in one line. Join both palms together in front of the heart center. Now we'll chant one time all together. After that, we will chant the opening mantra. Breath in. Guruभ्यो नमः वन्दे गुरूणां चरणारविन्दे सन्दर्भसुखास्वात्मसुखा भवन्ते निःश्रेयसेचाग्निकायमाने संसारहालाः हल्मो शान्ते आदाहु पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रास्य धारणं सहस्रापुरुषं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम् ॐ अथ योगानुशासनम् Exhale, put down your head towards God. Then take up your both palms, apply your eyes on your face, on your whole body. While blinking, looking at your palms, right. Let's begin. Coming to the tabletop position. Inhale, look up, roll your shoulders, open your chest. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. Inhale again, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, exhale. Okay. Once again, look up and hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back. 3, push 3, बंद जी 5 को hump बनाइए अच्छे से. 2 and 1. Come to the center. Now inhale, lean your right arm to the side. And exhale, drop your right hand under your left hand shoulder or your right. So try to inhale, lift your left arm up, look towards the left hand and keep opening your thoracic towards the left hand. Hold 1. Keep looking towards your left palm. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale from the left palm again back on the mat. Now take your right hand again by the side.
Sir, your voice is very low. I can't hear you.
Voice is low.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I have a cold also, so I think
Oh, I'm so
that's
sorry.
why.
Okay.
No, it's okay. I have cold, so I think so that's why like voice is coming. Okay. Like, where are we? Change your hand. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Now exhale, drop your left hand under your right hand. Inhale, take your right arm up and look towards your right arm. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your right hand again, back on the mat. Inhale, take your left arm by the side. And exhale, drop your left arm again back. Now move your rotate, make a circle from your upper body. That move. First go from the right side while inhalation, then front, and then exhale back from the left. Inhale, again go from the right side, exhale, come back from the left. 3. Once again, inhale, lean. As much as you lean, you will get the strength. So that's why lean is important. Just lean to the right, then front, and then come back. Do not just rotate yourself. Just bring awareness on your body, on your hands. Now we will go from the left and come from the right. Inhale from the left and front. Exhale to the right and come back. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now turn your fingers inside, wrist out. Turn your fingers inside, wrist out like this. Now inhale. Try to sit back as much as you can go. Try to sit back and exhale, come to the center. Just feel the stretch on your wrist. Inhale again. Go back. Try to take your hips towards your feet and exhale. Come back up. Inhale again. Take your hips back and exhale. Come front. One more time. Inhale and hold there for 5 counts. Just feel the stretch and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Come front. Now just again turn your palms front, fingers front. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for downward facing dog. Downward facing dog में आइए उनसे. Yeah. Bend your legs one by one, shake your legs. Now slowly walk front and stand into Samasthiti. So now Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up, overhead, come for Urdhva Sasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Steady inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Just exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round. Ekam inhale, again, come for Urdhva Sasana. Do exhale, bend for the hip joint for Uttanasana. Inhale, hip front, lengthen your spine, touch your fingertips. Chatwari, exhale, press the palms and jump back into Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round. Ekam inhale, again come for the Urdhva. To exhale, bend forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Chat, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend both knees, jump front. So exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fourth round. Ekam inhale. Do it, exhale. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now while the head come up, exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth round and last. Wake up, inhale. 2, exhale. 3, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Now while head come up, exhale, Samasthiti. Sun salutation B, first round. Take up, inhale, bend your both knees and raise your both arms up overhead. Come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. So exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. 3 inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, come back, Pachasankarana. Pancha, inhale, Ujmukha. Chat, exhale, Adho Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Now, in warrior A, what you have to do, you have to straight your front knee. आगे वाला leg को straight कर दीजिए. Straight your front knee, hands up, hands up. Yeah, now exhale, bend at the 90 degree. 90 degree में bend करिए. Bend yourself at the 90 degree. And keep elevating your spine, keeping your spine straight. Your hand should be closer to your ears. आपके दोनों हाथ आपके कानों के बगल से रहेंगे. Keep your hands closer to your ears and hold. 1, look front, lengthen. 2, do not make the hump. Open your chest. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, rest your palm and jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Udmukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now bring your left leg front for warrior A. Now straight your front knee. Again, bend forward at 90 degree. Hold yourself at 90 degree. 1, keep your knee straight, front leg. 2, straight. 3, stretch, stretch. आगे खींचे. Pull yourself front. 4, and 5. Again, press the palm and go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Deep inhale, deep exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front into halfway look up. Shoulders exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Second round again, come for the chair pose. So exhale, bend for the forward fold. Ready, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Chat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for warrior A. Again, straight your front knee, square your hips, and bend forward at 90 degrees. Hold 1, stretch. Stretch your hands. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, bend towards your right leg. Okay. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, down facing dog. Now bring your left leg front for warrior A. Again, exhale, bend out at 90 degrees. Hold 1. Straight your front knee. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, jump back to Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturashti, exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shoulders exhale, bend fully forward down. Up to the side, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third and last round, wake up, inhale, again back to the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. Rainy inhale, look front and now stay there. Slightly bend your knees and place your belly on your thighs. Bend your knees, both knees together. More. Make T shape. Now place your belly on your thighs. Now straight your arms front and hold there. Straight your arms. Try to keep lengthening your spine. 190 degrees. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale down. Relax, release yourself down into the forward fold. Second round again. Inhale, lift your hands front, bend your knees, and place your belly on your thighs. Again, hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Now turn towards the right side and keep lengthening your spine towards the right side. Now it's time to go right side. Yeah, take your hands to the right. 1, 2. Keep pushing your lower back down and chest up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again back to the center. Inhale and exhale to the left. Keep there. Keep elevating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale front and exhale again. Bend forward down. Relax. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Prepare yourself for the third round. Third round. Now you have to keep your knees straight and stretch your arms and make 90-degree angle of the body. Inhale, stretch your arms up while keeping your legs straight now. Keep your legs straight and stretch your arms front. Stretch your arms. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms up, 5. Exhale down. One more round. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Fourth round and hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now turn towards the right side. Again, stretch your arms. Keep your spine lengthening. 1. हाथ ऊपर उठाइए. मेरा 2. Stretch करिए. 3, 4. And from again back to the center. And again exhale to the left. Last 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale front. Exhale. Release. Path hands down. And jump back into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale upward facing dog. And exhale downward facing dog. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now bring your right leg front for warrior A. Exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now from here, bend your both knees. We will continue here again. We left yesterday. Bending both knees, jump into Dandasana. Now pull your hips out, properly sit on your sitting bone. Sapta. Now Ashto exhale, grab your both big toes from the first two. So exhale, grab your both big toes from the first two fingers and lengthen your spine. Do not grab your toes like this. This is wrong. Lift your chest. If you cannot lift, you can bend your knees, but keep your spine lengthening like this and look front towards the ceiling. आगे देखिए ceiling की तरफ. Open करिए chest को. Do not drop with your shoulders. Keep your shoulders lifted, full and open. Your chest should be open. Now exhale, go down, but keep it elevated. Now exhale, down, but keep it elevated. Try to touch your belly, but do not touch your heart here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back up, straight your elbow. Now exhale, grab your feet from out. Grab your feet from out, like this. Again, inhale, half belly up. Exhale, again, bend your elbows and try to go and pull yourself down. But not important to go down, it's important to keep lengthening your spine. So focus on lengthening rather than touching your head on your knees or your thighs. It's strong, okay? Keep lengthening. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, half belly curve. Straight your elbow. Now exhale, grab your wrist and put your wrist behind your feet. अपनी wrist को right, grab your right wrist with your left palm, left finger, and put your hand behind your feet. Again, inhale, half belly curve. If you want, you can bend your elbows, but lengthen is fine for you. Now exhale, bend fully forward down, bend your both elbows. Try to touch your belly and your thighs first. That's on the knees, then on the feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, place your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Lift, and then take your legs back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, again, bend your both knees and jump front for Purvottanasana. Place your both palms behind your back. Now, so inhale, lift your hip up and look back for Purvottanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop your hip down. Place your both palms, both sides of your hip. Now inhale, lift yourself up, and Dasha exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Ekadasha, inhale, Urdhmukha, and Dwadasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Now bend your both knees, Sapta, jump front for Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Bend your right leg at the left top of the thigh and grab your right feet behind your back with your right hand. Bend your, this one, Janaji. Now grab your right feet behind your back with your right hand if you can. Now with your left hand, grab your left out after the feet. Left leg ko pakdiye, left hand. Or if you can grab your left toe. Inhale, half wave up. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I inhale, half will look up. Exhale, place your both palms on the floor. Dasha, inhale, lift yourself up. And Ekadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. It's okay. Dwadasha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Triyodasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Chaturdasha, bend both knees, jump front. Now we'll do the same thing with our left leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee, drop your left leg on your right top of the thigh. Grab your left big toe with your left hand behind your back. Inhale, halfway look up. Panchadasa, exhale, bend fully forward down and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shoulder side, inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, drop your both palms on the floor. Up to the side, lift yourself up. Ashtadasa, exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Ekuna Vinshati Urdhmukha, Vinshati Adho Mukha. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front for Triyamukha Ekpad Paschim Uttanasana. For Triyamukha Ekpad Paschim Uttanasana, bend your left leg like this, pull your calf muscles up. Properly sit on your sitting bone. Do not transfer your all weight, shift your all weight towards the right hip. Just try to keep equally balanced on your both hips. You can grab your left wrist with your right hand and place your hands behind your feet. Behind your feet. Yeah, like this. Inhale again, halfway look up, chest open, exhale, bend fully power down. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up, exhale, drop the both palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Now we'll do the same thing on with our other leg. Bend your both knees, again jump front. Now bend your right leg and keep your right feet out of your right feet. Do not sit on that foot. Keep the feet to the side like this. Again, pull your calf muscles out. Try to shift your weight on your right hip as well. Now grab your right wrist with your left hand and take your hands behind your leg. Inhale again, halfway look up. Exhale, bend for the forward fold. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, drop your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, Adho Mukha. Now relax for a few counts. Bend your knees, relax into child pose. Child pose में relax करिए. Relax into child pose. Relax into child pose. Bend your knee, child से Shankasana. We come for the downward facing dog, back to the downward facing dog. Now we'll do Janusirasana A. Bend your both knees, sapta, and jump front into Dandasana. Now bend your right leg in the knee and touch your right feet on your right inner thigh, left feet on your right inner thigh. And grab your left wrist with your right hand. Now again, take your both hands behind the leg. Inhale again, halfway look up, lift your chest up, and Ashto exhale, bend your both elbows out, and try to go down. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, lift your chest up, lift your torso up. Exhale, drop the both palms on the floor. Dasha, inhale, lift yourself up. Ekadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Dwadasha, inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Triyodasha, exhale, Adho Mukha. Chaturdasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Now bend your right leg at the knee, touch your right feet on your left inner thigh. Now grab your right wrist with your left hand. Your left leg is front. Now you will grab your right wrist. Now take your hands behind the legs. Inhale, halfway look up and punch to the side, exhale, bend fully forward down. Try to touch your belly, chest and head. One, two, three, four, and five. Shoulder side, inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, drop your both palms on the floor. Up to the side, inhale, lift. Ashtadasa, exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Ekona vinchate urdhmukha, vinchate adhomukha. Now join seat asana B. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front. Now again bend your left leg and now sit on your left heel. Touch your heel to your NS point. अपने NS point पे लगाइए अपने heel को. Now grab your left wrist again and take your hands behind your leg, behind your feet. Okay, one more thing. You will not close your this knee. You have to keep your this knee to 85 or 90-degree angle. Do not like close your knee like this. Keep it open. Fine. Inhale, half the look up. First go exhale, again bend fully forward down. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, drop your both hands on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. Dasha, exhale, jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, a downward facing. Chaturdasha, bend your both knees, again jump front into Dandasana. Now bend your bend your right leg and now sit on your right knee. Grab your right wrist with your left hand and take your both arms behind your feet. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, bend your both elbows, stretch yourself front as much as you can. Pull your toes in and go to the deep into the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shoulder side, inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your hands on the floor. Saptadasa, inhale, lift. And Ashtadasa, exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Ekona vinchate urdhmukha and vinchate adhomukha. 4. Now we do Janu Sirsasana 3. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into Dandasana. Bend your left leg like this and try to grab your left feet with your left hand. Try to rotate your ankle, be careful, and put your ankle down. Now lift your hips up, slide it front, and try to touch your knee also down on the mat, like this. Keep your leg. Okay, so lift your hip up, slide it front, and then put it down. Be careful if you feel pain, just do not force yourself. Grab your left wrist, again take your hands back behind your feet. Inhale, halfway look up, and Ashto, exhale, bend knee forward down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, come up, and exhale, drop your hands by the side. Dasha, inhale, lift yourself up. Ekadasha, exhale, come back to the Dwadasha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Triyodasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Chaturdasha, bend your both knees and jump front. Now we'll do the same thing with our right leg. Grab your right ankle and twist your right ankle. Again, lift your hip up, post yourself front, and settle down on the mat. Now grab your right wrist with your left hand and take your both arms behind your leg. Inhale, halfway look up. And punch the side, exhale, bend your both elbows. Try to go forward as much as you can. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Thodasa, exhale, press your both palms. Saptadasa, inhale. And Ashtadasa, exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Ekonavimshati Urdhmukha, Vinshati Adhomukha. Stay into downward facing dog. Now we will do now we'll do Marichyasana A. Bend your both knees, jump front. Now bend your right leg at the knee and grab your right leg with your right hand like this. Hold your right hand like on your right leg and grab your wrist behind your back. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, try to bend forward, down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your hands on the floor. Dasha, inhale, lift yourself up. And Ekadasha, exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Dvadasha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Trayodasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Chaturdasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Now bend your left leg at the knee and grab your left feet with your left hand. Sorry. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Now try to touch your chin on your chin and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shoulders inhale, come up. And exhale, drop your both palms on up to the side. Inhale, lift yourself up. And Ashtadasa, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Ekonavichyate Urdhmukha, Chate Adhomukha. Now we do Marichyasana B. Bend your both legs and jump front into Marichyasana B. Now bend your right leg over, sorry, bend your left leg on your right top of the thigh. Like this. And bend your right leg at the knee. And then grab your right leg with your right hand. Inhale again, halfway look up. And a slow exhale, bend fully forward down. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your both hands on the floor. Dasha, inhale, lift. Ekadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Dvadasha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Trayodasha, exhale, Adho. Chaturdasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Now bend your right leg on your left top of the thigh. And bend your left leg at the knee. Grab your left leg with your left hand and right wrist behind your back. Inhale, halfway look up, punch to the side, exhale, bend fully forward down. And hold 1, 2, very good, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come up, shoulders up. Exhale, drop your hand by the side. Up to the side, inhale, lift. And Ashtadasa, exhale, jump back to the try to lift so you can learn it. Ekonavimshate Urdhmukha and Vinshate Adhomukha. Now we'll do Marichyasana C. Saptab, again bend your both knees, jump front for Marichyasana C. Bend your right leg and place your right elbow on your right leg like this. Again, if you can grab your left leg like this and grab your wrist behind your back. Like that. No, reverse, Varunda ji. Left hand आएगा right knee पे. Your left hand will be on your right knee. Yes. And now hold your hand like this and then grab. Try to grab. Yeah. Very nice. And now look towards your right shoulder. Right shoulder, your right. Energy type. One, just keep looking back. Two, three, four, and five. Look front, inhale, and exhale. Drop your hands on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees and again jump front. Now grab your right, place your right elbow out of your left knee. And again, try to twist and grab your wrist behind your back if you can. Keep looking towards the left shoulder now and hold there. One, two, three, four, and five. Inhale, look front. Exhale, drop your hands on the floor. Triodasha, inhale, lift yourself up. Chaturdasha, exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Panchadasa, inhale, Urdhmukha. Shodasa, exhale, Adhomukha. Now we'll do Marichasana D. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Now bend your left leg on your right top of the thigh. Like this. And then bend your right leg at the knee. Now you will place your left elbow out of your right leg. If you can grab, you can rotate and grab. It's a little bit tough. If you cannot, just twist, keep twisting towards the right side. Yeah. Energy, left elbow on, yeah. Now look towards the right shoulder and keep twisting yourself more. One, two, three, four, and five. Inhale, look front. Exhale, drop your hands on the floor. Ashto, inhale, lift. And now exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Dasha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Ekadasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Dwadasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Now place your right feet on your left top of the thigh and bend your left leg at the knee. Now place your right elbow out of your left knee. And again, otherwise you can twist if you want. If you can grab by rotating. Again, hold. One, two, three, four, and five. Inhale, look front. Exhale, drop the hands on the floor. Give the shine. Inhale, lift yourself up. And Chaturanga, exhale, come back to Chaturanga. Panchadasa, inhale, Urdhmukha. Shodasa, exhale, Adhomukha. Keep inhale, exhale. Now relax into child pose. We'll continue from here tomorrow. Child pose, Jaina ji, child pose. Relax yourself. Now lay down on your back. We'll do some counter poses. Grab your ankle and now lift yourself up for the bridge pose. Grab your both ankles with your both hands and then lift your hip up for the bridge pose. Inhale up, exhale down. Again, inhale up, exhale down. Once again, inhale up, exhale down. One more time, inhale, lift and hold. One, two, three, four, and five. Exhale, drop your hip down. Raise your legs, kick your legs. Now bend your both knee, hug your knees. Hug your knees. Now roll yourself front and back. Massage your back properly. 1, 2. Make yourself fall on your back. 3, 4, 5. Now roll yourself side to side. 1, 2. Side rolling. 3, 4, and 5. Now drop your feet down. Side twisting. Drop your both legs towards the left side. Look right side. Legs up. Now drop your both legs towards the right. Look left side. Okay, now sit in any comfortable position. Sit straight. Keep your back neck straight in one line. We'll thank God by chanting Vendaimu, followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your palms together, rub your palms, apply on the face, apply on the eyes, apply on the whole body, and gently pull the vision to the floor. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste to everyone. So if you want to ask anything now, if you have any question, any queries, you can ask me. Okay, no question. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Take care.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.